Hi everybody, I'm just now getting video done from the weekend of the 4th of July, and this video is the fireworks. They were daytime fireworks, so they're kind of dim, but this is my niece Trinity, who's looking at herself, and my obnoxious husband behind me, and my nephew's in the other room. But I'm still around. I just don't make many videos that get posted because it takes me forever to work on them. We'll be knocking stuff down. And here's my nephew. Stick your little head in there. Hi! Hi, everybody. Happy late 4th of July. Bye. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Pull that string. Make sure this end is pointed away from you.
You alright?
Check that out. Go on out there in the yard because it does make a mess.
I know.
Go out there with that other little girl that's out. Here, we can let him have it. Yeah! Don't shoot at me! Don't shoot at me!
Put the big end away from you. Put the big end away from you.
That's flat end.
Hold the string towards you and pull it. Other way.
Flip it over, baby.
Other way. Turn it over.
Yep.
Turn it over. Keep turning it. Trinity, come here.
Just like that, baby. Throw me another one. No, keep on that. Pick all that up. There you go. Give it to me.
Hold it like this and pull the string. Hold it just like this. Okay, and pull the string towards you.
Yeah, there you go, baby.
Yeah, hold on.
That's right. Just pull it really, really hard.
Pull it hard.
There you go. They're alright. They're sleeping through it all. I don't care. Get out of the flowers.
Please, those dogs are Palmers.
Yeah, Charlie got those puppies.
They can sleep through gunfire. They don't give a shit.
Son, don't rip my flowers up. We need some exciting ones.
Jump, Herbie.
Cat.
That's it, man.
That's all the kids. Stay back, okay, Kanan? Okay.
Kennedy.
Oh, they're going to do all six at once. Get back, get back. Watch, there it is in the air, watch. They're going everywhere. There they go.
Catch them.
Hurry, go catch them. Careful, they might be hot.
Be careful.
Watch your head.
I think a couple hit the roof.
Ooh.
Shut up, it's for the kids, not for you.
It's going to be 5 this month.
You've seen plenty.
$1 a whole box for 4.
Blow them both up.
We're getting smoked out.
Action going.
Oh, sorry.
I think
They went to the... Wouldn't it be cool if they blew up?
Yeah.
They battle other ships
that box.
and then they blow up.
Are you filming?
Of course, everybody's walking in front of what I'm doing.